I'll be alone, dancing, you know it, baby. Tell me your troubles now.
Deacon. What the hell are you doing?
Consider this a little end of the line party. Go out the way I came in. What do you say? You want a sword fight? Relax. You couldn't take me.
Jesus Christ. Put your goddamn clothes on. I need your help.
Oh, you need my help. Everybody needs my help until they don't. My boys. Cassie. Doesn't matter now.
God. All the things I never thought it would be Cassie who would take you down.
Oh, you contrary to popular belief and my sociopathic tendencies, the heart beats in this chest.
Jesus, man.
You know, I knew my days with her were numbered when you came back.
Never been like that.
But Ramsey, who would have thought he put a flag in it?
It's not like that either.
I got an idea. Why don't we have a drink and talk about killing Ramsey? Just like the old days. Don't you forget about me.
All right, pity party's over.
It is over when I say it's over.
The world is gonna end before you finish that bottle.
Works for me.
All the shit that you have lived through. The virus, the scavs, the foreman, your father. You really want to go out like this?
Jesus. You even talk like her.
Like who?
My baby brother.
You are a survivor. That is what you do. Now we are out of time here. I need your help so we can survive. Will you help me?
All right, Cole. Let's go save them.
That's right. Get it all up. Good?
100%. Don't you forget about me. I'll be alone. Dancing, you know it, baby.
Jesus Christ, what is it with you and that song? You ain't get off the gut.
Deacon! Why are you doing this? This isn't you.
Oh, it's me. I'm exactly where I want to be. Don't you forget about me.
Long-time listener, first-time witness. With a face for radio and a voice for NPR. Surprise, bitch!